This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Louis Eisenberg. Come see this lovely waterfront 3-bedroom 2-full-bath 10th floor condo on the Lafayette River. Huge open living area floor plan. Enjoy gorgeous Lafayette and Elizabeth River views and magnificent sunsets. Condo fees include gas, electric, HVAC, water, 7-day reception desk coverage, elevator, basic cable, saltwater pool, library, expansive community/meeting room with water views and full kitchen, trash removal, ground maintenance. Boat dock, boat slips available for yearly resident rental, outdoor grilling area, assigned storage, 2 assigned parking spaces, full-time maintenance supervisor. For more information, review the details below.